gonna drop on the ground now. MGW short throw shifter. They also make it to where you can keep like the factory shift handle, or you can get the ball. It's of your choice, whatever you want to do. They make it to where you can just, that one right there just slides right off. They make it to where you can just slide it back on these right here, so it has a short throw shifter. Or you can get the flat stick. Get the flat stick, which I really have the flat stick. I think it looks kind of cool.
Yeah. How does that handle come off? Just unscrew?
Yeah. Underneath is like a pin, and it has some two little C clips like on each side. You just kind of pull them out, and then you slide the pin out.
So once you take this off, you can see it?
Yeah, you gotta do it from underneath though.
Oh.
So it's basically like, oh, this handle part.
Yeah, the handle.
Okay, the handle thing just
pulls up.
Yeah. There you go.
Ooh.
You gotta spend some money. I can't remember how to get this boot off. There's a certain way. I have to look at a video.
Ooh, dang.
God damn, boy, what the fuck? That's how I got a mouthful. That's like damn broccoli. Beef and broccoli.
Green beans and beef.
Smack it on.
There you go.
So I want to rip it.
It's starting to rain. It's nice and hot. I can't see past the trees. It's dark that way. I'm sharing a banana. Alright, it's pouring down the rain. We're not getting the shifter in like this. Hopefully it'll pass on by.
Hopefully it's take right underneath the car.
Alright, so that was a quick little storm that passed by. And if you notice, the little gazebo we had there is no longer there. It kind of flew over top of his car. It's folded up like a taco. Alright, so when the gazebo blew over, it went right across the top, put a good little scratch there and there. That was the worst one. That kind of sucks. At least it didn't rub all the way across it though.
Yeah, at least it's on the hood, I guess, like
on the roof.
Better than the hood or something.
Alright, we underneath the car now. We gotta take, this is the transmission cross member. We gotta take it loose. We got 2 bolts over here and 2 over there, and then the transmission mount up in here, right there. Alright, I got the transmission mount off. Now we gotta take this little cross brace thing off, whatever it is, and then the heat shield, and slide it back out of the way. Alright, so I'm trying to record up under here, but I had to take this sensor out right there. Now I got to take this bracket off right there. And there's a rubber boot right here I got to take off. Yeah, it's kind of hard to record under here. There ain't much room,
but let's see where I put that skip shift eliminator in there. I think, oh, that's for it up. It does,
I got that piece off the back there. Now I got this boot off. You got to take the pin out this thing.
Take little C-clips on each side.
Little clips, yeah. Take that out, and then we got some pins I don't know how much of this y'all can see, but I'm trying here. There's some thingies, bobbers here. We gotta flip up and flop around, and then we'll take it off there. So we almost done, or almost done taking it out. We got the shifter out. I don't know if y'all can see, but that little bolt hole there, there's one there and one over there. Those are 10mm bolts that holds a little bracket. I'm not sure where it went, but it holds the shifter in right here. It sits on the bottom of that and holds that in. Once you get them 2 bolts out, that slides out. And now we just gotta undo the clips for the front. We can take out this whole piece and then start putting in the new one. There it is. We got her out.
Cast aluminum piece of junk.
And them little clips go into these parts down here. Slide in there. And they got little pins with a clip. I don't know where they at. Right there.
Just go on in and they just flip on and lock in place.
Flip and lock. So you just flip them up and then pull them out. You got 2 of those and then it comes out of there. So now the old shifter is completely out. Now we can start putting the new one in. Alright. Got the new shifter in.
Hi.
And now I'm putting on these arms. And I got this little clip here. I just slid in here. So they slide in there and then they clip down right here on that, like that. And then it gets a bolt put in here to connect it to the shifter. I got to do the same thing on the other side. And then I think we're pretty much done from down here. Besides, I got to put this sensor back in and plug it up, and the cross member and all. But after we do that, we're pretty much done down here, and then we can go up and finish it up at the top. Alright, we got her all buttoned up underneath for the most part. I still got to climb under there and put this on the back of the shifter. But it goes up through these back holes here. And then we got this front one. We can actually put it on from up here, so it ain't gonna be too bad. So this thing, we can actually put it in from up here. Just slide it up through there like that, and then put nuts and washers on it. Alright, so got the back brace on there. Now we're trying to get the rubber boot in there. It's got a sandwich between the brace and the car and this front brace. So once we get that in there, we can tighten that down. And then this goes on. I think that's it.
I think. We'll find out.
And this goes on there.
I guess we're all right.
And it just smooshes down in there. Alright.
I think these were the little Phillips.
There that is.
Don't want to do it too hard.
Yeah.
Oh hell, I don't know if it's gonna mess with the two-step or not, the phone.
Oh, yep, it is.
I tell you what, we just cut that corner out.
Yeah, have to cut the corner out for the two-step button. If you guys remember back in one of my videos, we put two-step button right here where the lighter used to be. So
Half of that and see what it does. It might.
So that's hitting the foam that we put in there.
think you're done.
Yeah. All right, we got her finished up.